Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT, and if you have not guessed already, today's video is going to be all about my most recent pattern hauls. If you've been paying attention over the last several weeks, there have been quite a few pattern sales. Simplicity has been on sale for 99 cents. McCall's has been on sale for $1.99, and I took advantage of those sales because I like a good pattern stash. And not only that, there's not gonna be many times where we're gonna get this 99-cent pattern sale, so I just thought I would take advantage of it and put some patterns up in my stash for later and for whenever I just want to make them up. So I did pick up quite a few patterns, and I'm not going to put them all in one video because I feel like it's too much and the videos will be too long. So I'm going to break these pattern hauls into 3 videos. So this is going to be one of 3, and I'll go ahead and share with you what I picked up, and go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below about which ones you like best and which ones you think may be the better fit for me. So without further ado, let's get over to the pattern table. Okay, so my first pattern that I picked out is a Simplicity 9261, and this is one of the new Mimi G patterns, and there's view A and B. And so A is the dress here on the right with the flowers, and B is the solid color. The difference between A and B is basically the length of the dress, as you can see here. The fabric that this calls for is going to be Mrs. Knits, so stretch knits only, such as cotton interlock, ITY jersey. And I picked this up because I have a lot of ITY fabric that I have not been able to use, because honestly I can't find a lot of patterns that call for ITY knit. So I did pick it up, and I am not 100% sure that I would look great in this fitted type of dress, but I'll definitely give it a try because I have, like I said, a lot of ITY fabric, and I would go for probably the shorter look right here. So that would be Simplicity 9261, and I did pick it up in the larger size range because as of right now, that's what I am. Next, we have another Mimi G pattern. This is Simplicity 9268, and I did pick this up in the smaller size range because I picked it up for the pants, and the pants are wide, and so because of that I fall into that smaller category. So the pants is view B, which as you see right here, and the pattern's description is Mrs. Bra top and gathered pants. It calls for batik, chalet gauze, jersey, lightweight stretch terry, linen and linen blends, silky types, soft cotton types, and I have all these type of fabrics in my stash. And my hips are a 43, so I would wear a size 14. So again, I picked up that size range, sizes 6 to 14, and that is what I will make, the 14. So next we have Simplicity 9274, and this is a variation of tops. The description is Mrs. Tops in 2 lengths, and so we have 3 views here, A, B, and C. Here's the line drawings on the back, and with the finished measurements of 45 to 47, I would fall in between that. So the 45 is a 14, 47 bust is a 16, so I would just go ahead and make a 16. And I actually like all views, but for right now in this with the summer coming up, I would make views B and C, which are these right here. Then I picked up this pattern. This is overall a very nice pattern because you can build a wardrobe with this. So this is Simplicity 9271. I really like this view A here because you can put this underneath a blazer. Then you have your blazer here and then your pants. And as you can see here, the model is wearing all 3. And so this is described as Mrs. jacket, top, and pants. And the fabrics that it calls for are chalets, crepe, linen types, rayon, soft cotton types. And for me, I would, you know, there's, like I said, 3 different types of garments here. So for the bust on the A, which is the cami type shirt, that I would go for a 20. I would make a 20 in that. And for the pants, I would end up making a 16. So like I said, I think this is a very good pattern to get to kind of just fill out your wardrobe for work. And it's a very relaxed fitting type of wardrobe builder. Then I picked up Simplicity 9262, and I actually like all 3 views on this pattern. It is described as Mrs. V neckline shift dresses. And for me, I would make a size 18. C, here's the line drawings, and C has an elasticated waist. A and B, the only difference is going to be the sleeve length. One thing that I liked about this pattern here is the wide band for the neckline, and that's on all views. So yeah, I thought that was super cute, and I'm definitely going to make that up. It also seems like it's very easy to make. So as we're going back into the office, I picked up another good wardrobe builder, in my opinion. This is Simplicity 9263. And so you have here, it's described as Mrs. Dress jacket and top. And there's views A, B, and C. So A is the dress, B is top, and C is the jacket. And so again, I would make all views. Even this pattern, actually between the top and the dress, you could actually color block because there's seams in the middle there. And then this very easy, no closure added type of blazer is very, very simple and easy to coordinate with your wardrobe. So yes, definitely like this pattern. Will definitely make a dress with that, a top, and the blazer. So next we have Simplicity 9265. I love this pattern because I love tiered dresses. This is Simplicity, again, 9265, and it's Mrs. and Women's tiered dresses. The fabrics that it calls for is batiks, chambray, cotton lawns, cotton blends, linen blends, rayon, poplin shirtings, and there's 3 views. So A, B, and C. The differences is going to be the tier lengths and the sleeve variations. My favorite view for this pattern is A right now because of how warm it is, and I can also see myself making something up in B. Not too big a fan of C, but A and B are going to be my picks, and B is what the model is wearing. Then we have Simplicity 9270, and I like this because I just like how relaxed the model looks in this pants outfit. And she's wearing A, which is a button-down shirt, and C, which are going to be the pants here. And the fabric that it looks like she's wearing is like a gauze, like a double gauze. So this is just seems very relaxed and a very cool outfit, breezy outfit. Here's the line drawings on the back, A, B, and C. And it's described as Mrs. Tops and Pants in 2 lengths. Cotton and cotton blends, double gauze, linen and linen blends, poplins, rayon, tinsel. Those are the fabrics that you would use. And like I said, I think this is very good representation of what you could look like once you make a garment up in this pattern. Then I picked up Simplicity 9273. Love it, love it, love it. I love all 3 views A, B, and C, but C is by far my favorite. Look at those sleeves. How cute is that? So this is described as Mrs. Knit Tops with scoop neck and sleeve variations. Here's the line drawings for the back, and I would make an extra large, and it does not take a lot of fabric. It calls for bamboo, cotton knit blends, interlock, ITY, jacquard, jersey, modal. And again, I picked it up, number one, because I thought it was cute, and number two, because it calls for ITY knit, and I really need to use up my ITY knit, and I thought this would be super cute. Then I picked up another Mimi G. This is Simplicity 8830, and there's a view A and B, and this is Mrs. Petite shirt dress in 2 lengths with tie belt, and here's the line drawings on the back, and I prefer view A, and I would end up sewing a size 18 in this. And again, this is A, which she's wearing on the left. And you know, I am just so excited about my future shirt dress collection. So that is the reason why I picked this up, because prior to making the shirts that I have been making recently, I was not making anything with buttons and things like that. But now that I think I'm a professional at it, I've just been picking up all the shirt patterns. So it was time to add this pattern to my collection. So then I picked up Simplicity 9041, and this is a dress pattern that I picked up for view C here. And this is described as Mrs. Dress in 3 lengths with sleeve variations. It calls for chambray, cotton linen types, poplin shirtings, silky types, and for me, with my bust size of 45.5, I would go up to a 47, and that would put me at a size 20. So I thought this would be super cute. This style is different for me, but it grew on me, and I've kind of overlooked this pattern, but decided to pick it up this time. And this is Simplicity 9057, and it's Children and Mrs. Dresses. Simple as that. The fabrics that it calls for is cotton, cotton blend, challis, chambray, double gauze, linen, linen blends, and jerseys. So yeah, I thought it was cute. I would make a large, and obviously I would make view B. And then I wanted some cropped lounge pants, so I picked up this pattern, Simplicity 9146, and I like what the model is wearing, which is view A, but I also like view C. The description is Mrs. Pull-on pants with side panel and tie options, and the fabrics that this calls for is batik, chambray, chino, cotton types, double gauze, lightweight denim, linen type, seersucker. And for my finished hip, I would make a size 16. So I thought this was simple enough, have a lot of linen, I could make this up. And for my last pattern for this particular haul is Simplicity 2687, and yes, and what you are seeing here is a bunch of large or oversized bibs with some elderly individuals modeling. But the reason why I purchased this is because I thought it was so cute when I initially start taking my boys to a child care provider for when I need relief while working, because I do work. And that she had these huge bibs, and I said, those are adorable. I wonder where she got those from. I didn't even know that they existed. I've never seen them in the store, never seen them online, but I just happened to come across this pattern, so I thought I would make some and give them to her for her business. So here's close up. I would just make like just a standard one, so kind of like view A, which is what this guy here is wearing, but there's all different types of views. You know, you've got frilly, what are those called, ruffles on there, Santa looking ones, ones with pockets, some that look like tuxedos. We're not going there. We're just gonna stick to the standard, and I would just use like a fabric that resembled a towel. But it does call for broadcloth, flannel, gingham, lightweight denim, things like that, or terry cloth. Yes, that's what I was trying to say. I would use like a terry cloth. And here's the line drawings on the back. I'm gonna get it in focus. So here's the line drawings on the back, and like I said, I would just go with the simple view A, and it's actually described as adult clothing, protectors, and hats in one size. So yeah, I guess it does have the little Santa hat here, but you know, we're here for view A. All right, well, that was it for this first pattern haul. Remember, there will be a second and third one, so just stay tuned for that, and let me know in the comments which pattern was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.